Welcome to Printful's Design Series. In this episode, I'll share with you 5 simple but important tips to help you create a better logo for your brand. Number 1, research your competitors. Find competitors who are successful in your niche. Look at their logo and point out any specific elements that catch your eye, then head over to their About Us page to see if the brand story has anything in common with their design choices. If it's a brand with a lot of history, find out what was behind their design. This will help you get an idea of how to include your brand message into your logo design. If you need inspiration, visit a website like Behance that contains a lot of amazing artist portfolios with in-depth descriptions of how certain personal or commercial projects were made. Number 2, keep it simple. When creating a logo for your e-commerce brand, just remember, simplicity is key. Here's why. First, the simpler your design is, the easier it'll be to replicate on different products. Second, with a simple design, it'll be easy to maintain consistency wherever you use it. Your logo will appear not only on your custom apparel, but also on your website and social media platforms. A simple logo will stand out much more than a highly detailed one, since mobile shopping is on the rise and your customers will look at your logo from a smaller screen. Number 3, keep it monochrome. While you may have a color scheme based on color psychology, remember to keep your colors simple. When you start creating your logo, think about how it'll look in black and white. This way you remove the distractions of the color and focus on the elements themselves. You can always add color when you place your logo on different colored backgrounds to make sure it stands out. Number 4, keep it relevant. Your business is built on the unique values you believe in, and your logo should clearly reflect them. So pay attention to how you use graphic elements in your logo design. If you decide to use any, make sure they reinforce the idea behind your company rather than just serve as aesthetically pleasing decorations. If you decide that your logo needs to have a word mark and a symbol, make sure that their shapes are complementary and don't overwhelm one another. Whether you use graphic design software or even a piece of paper, create different versions of your logo by swapping around your elements until you come up with the most visually striking version. Number 5, gather feedback. Once you have a finalized version of your logo, create a focus group of people that represent your target audience and find out, how does it make them feel? And what do they think it represents? What do they like and dislike about it? Does it remind them of other brands? This will help you understand if your logo clearly shows what your brand is about. Then, based on the data, make improvements if necessary. Remember, your logo is something that'll stay with your brand for a long time, so invest a good amount of your attention into the design process. If you're struggling and need a simple way to get a professional logo design with a couple of clicks, try your logo maker. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so make sure to check it out. So how did you design your logo, and what's helped you the most? Let me know all about it in the comments below.